All right, so I want to walk you through how to change the default text styles in a Google document. And what that means is if you want your normal text to be a certain font, a certain way, a certain size, we can update that and we can set it as a default to make sure whenever we open a new document, it applies those same styles to our text. And we can do that for regular text, or they call it normal text, to our headers, H1 through H6, and the process is super easy. So I have just some regular text here. This first line that I've highlighted is Roboto, however you say it. The second line is Arial, but notice they're both normal text. That's important, okay? I'm going to select the text that says Roboto, and we're going to go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Normal Text, and then we're going to update normal text to match, okay? Now you'll see that this text is now also Roboto. Now we're going to go back to Format, back to Paragraph Styles, and we're going to go down to the bottom, and we're going to say Save as my default styles. Okay. Now these normal text will be saved across. Let's open up a new one. So normal text in a new document is also coming through as Roboto, which is cool. That is just one example. Now, if we wanted to say that our titles, right? So I'm going to select this text. I'm going to apply a title. Why is it selecting all of that? Okay, let's not do a title. Let's do a H1 or a header 1. This might work better. There we go. I'm not sure why it's selecting all of this. Okay. There it is. Okay, so now we have this heading 1 as Roboto 20. Let's say that I want my heading 1s to actually be 30, 40, bold, underlined, and Georgia. Same thing. I'm going to go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 1, update Heading 1 to match, go down to Options, and then Save as my default styles. Okay. So now this H1 is going to be the same H1 across all of our Google Docs. And let's say that we got a little bit too crazy and we just need to reset everything. We're just going to go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Options, Reset Styles, and this will send everything back to the default, I guess the original settings, which could be good, could be bad. But that is how you're going to set default text styles inside of Google. So I hope it helps. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.